Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to start a new session. It's about the JavaScript arrays. So why you use array? When you want to show list of data, then you can display all that your list of data with this array. Like I show you right now, I have already discussed about little bit before. So now I want to discuss about more about all that array. That means JavaScript, all that array related everything I will cover into this session. Okay, so that will be as a array. And now, like first of all, I want to take one of the variable as a friends. Okay, I name one of the variable name as a friends, and into this friends area, now you can actually add multiple array in here. Like I name it as a Kazi. Okay, Kazi, one of the friend name. Another friend name, I name it as a Ariyan, and also I take another one as a Jackma. Okay, I'm using the same name a lot of the time. There is a Jack. Okay, Jackma. So I name it as a Jackma, and then I want to take another one. As a Raju. Okay, Raju. So that is, they have the list of data, right? They have the list of data. Now I simply declare with this array. So that is the array I have already taken it in our friends. So now I want to display it. So if you want to display it with the console log, that is a console log, and now I want to display our which things. I want to display our this array variable, right? Here I have already taken one of the variable. Now I want to print it. So now if you print it, click as a save all. Now if you go, now click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now successfully get all that our data. There is a Kazi, Ariyan, Jackma, and then Raju. And here that is all that our value, right? That is array value. And into the left side they have also one of the index. That means this array index. And index is started from to the 0. As I told you before, that is a index will be started from to the 0, then the 1, then the 2, and then the 3. Okay, so right now if you want to get a specific some of the data, like I want to get that second data as a Ariyan data. Okay, if you want to get it, then our index, our index is the 1. Then you can actually get it by like that way. I have already shared that thing before. Right now I want to do there is a console log, and then our variable name, our variable as a friends, right? And into this friends they have also one of the which data you want to get. I want to get that index 1 data. That means I want to show that Ariyan. So here only you have to do, you have to put your index data. Okay, just simply understand it that array is started from to the 0 index, and that is all that index number, and that is all that array value. Okay, so now I'm going to print our 1 value, that means 1 index data. Now that should be display our second one, that's a Ariyan. Now click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now successfully display as a Ariyan. And also if you want to get as a Raju, that means if you want to display that Raju, then our index data as a 3. Only you have to do simple work here. Only you have to use that index data 3 data. Okay, if you click as a save all, now that should be display. That should be display as a Raju. Okay, and if you want to display the 0 index, so then only you have to do that, you have to add that as a 0. So that 0 index is our first index, right? I want to save it, and then if you refresh, now you can see it's not display as a Kazi. I hope friend it's very much clear to you. And also if you want to get that length, okay, they have also another property as a length property, and also they have some of the method. Later we will use it a lot of the time, like there is a console and then the console log, and into this console log area, there is a console log area. I want to that is our friends. Okay, that is our friends, that is our variable name, and into this variable when you click as a dot, and you can see that is all that method. Okay, that is all that method. Later we will use this method, and also they have some of the property like as a length. Length is one of the property. Now I want to declare this property. So now with this length, it will be counting how many data you have. Like if you click as a save all, right now they have the 4 data. If you click as a refresh, now you can see it's now successfully display our total length as a 4. Okay, simply understand that part. Laterly everything will be needed. I hope you get some of the idea why you use that array and how array actually work. Okay, and also how can get that specific index data. I hope everything is very much clear to you. In our next video I want to discuss about that adding elements. I hope you like it very much. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.